Heck yeah. This is the pivotless hardtail frame, full carbon frame, boost through axle rear. And on the front, we've got the Fox 32 with the Kashima coating, 100 millimeters of travel, super duper plush when it's opened up, and pretty rock hard when you lock it out for climbs and long road sections. It's the DT Swiss XRC carbon wheels that keep it rolling, and those are laced up to DT Swiss 240 hubs. It is a single speed bike, so drive chain pretty simple, running a 3420 gearing with the wolf tooth center lock chainring in the front, and also a wolf tooth aluminum cog in the rear. Cockpit is pivot as well, runs 720 with bars, ESI grips, and the Shimano XT brakes take care of the stopping power. And this is the first bike I've ever had with the Fox transfer dropper on it, which is a ton of fun, and really lets the bike open up when it comes time to descend. Fantastic stuff, I love it. And we have it available as a demo, so if you want to come by and try it too, the demo one has gears on it.